Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 365 2024 Capstone Level 1 working with sales data. Basically it is the first chapter of 2025. It is simulate course. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students many times. They got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email. My WhatsApp number and my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically, first we highlight our title Excel 365 2024 Capstone Level 1 working with cell data. I am professional. So this assignment consists of 17 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So first of all, we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the start file EX 2024 Capstone Level 1. In this tab, we open the Excel file that we download. So I have already opened the Excel file. So our step number 1 is completed. Our step number 2 is the file will rename automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So in this tab, if we download it from another web or another site, we will change our name. So I have downloaded it from my course, so my name is given, so our step number 2 is completed. So in the step number 3, what is he asking? Insert a new worksheet and rename it to food truck. So in this step, we insert a new worksheet on the Excel workbook and rename it to food truck. So we go on our Excel worksheet and here right click and insert a new worksheet. Now here and rename it to food trucks. Copy this one and paste here. Rename it by food truck. So our step number 3 is completed. So in the step number 4, what he is asking, if necessary, move the food truck worksheet so it appear first in the workbook. So in this step, we move the food truck worksheet to the first, so it appear on the first worksheet. So copy this one and move it to first here. So you can see that our food truck worksheet is first in the workbook. So our step number 4 is completed. So in the step number 5, enter the text and cell data as shown in the table below. Check your work carefully. So in this step, we enter the data in the workbook of food truck worksheet that I have inserted first. So copy the data one by one and paste in the worksheet. So copy this one, only select text to copy the text. Copy this one and paste cell A1. A1 is this one and paste here in the formula bar and edit it so it appear in cell only A1. You can see that it is appear in cell A1. Next, put truck location in cell B2. So copy this one and in the Excel worksheet in cell B2, here we put truck location. Also edit this one so it appear in cell B2 only. In the B3, we put this one, Crystal City. This one, we put Crystal City. Now you can see that it is in cell B4, so this one, and we here we put Crystal City. And now verified field, copy this one and cell C3. So here is cell C3, paste it here. And in cell D3 we put Lawton, copy this one and paste here cell D3. And in cell E3 we put Blaster. Copy this one and put in cell E4 as Blaster. Now we put in cell A4 we put Old Bay, copy only text, copy Old Bay and paste cell A4. And in cell A5 we put Truffle, copy this one and put here Truffle. And in cell A6 we put sea and salt camel. Copy this one and paste there sea and salt camel. Now we put values. Our first value is 6,100. Second value is 800 and 600. 800, 600 and 900. 900. And also we put 4300, 4300, 600, 1500, 600, 1500, and also we put 1800. And we also put 5300, 1500, 5300, 1500, 100 and 1500. 1500 and 1400, 1500, 1400 and 1500. So now you can see that I have put all the data in the worksheet. So step number 5 is completed. So our step number 6 is format the data as follows. So in this step we format the data that I have put. So what is he asking? Apply the title cell style to cell A1. So select cell A1 and in the home tab in the cell style group, in the cell style we'll put title cell style and in apply blue fill color to cell B2. Use the 8 color from the left in the row of standard color. So in this step we apply blue fill color to cell B2. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select cell B2, B2 is this one, and select fill color to blue, this one, and also apply the white background 1 font color to cell B2. Use the first color at the left in the first row of the theme color. So in this step we apply font color to cell B2. So select cell B2, B2 is also selected. In the font color we have first. So in the merge and center the worksheet title across cell A1 to E1. So in this tab we merge and center the title A1 to E1. So select cell A1 to E1 Come on my YouTube channel. So select cell A1 to E1 and margin center the title, and now margin center the cell B2 to E2. So in this tab we margin center the B2 to E2. So select cell B2 to E2 and margin center. Now bold cell B3 to E3. So in this tab we bold the subtitle B3 to E3. So Excel worksheet, select B3 to E3 and apply bold. Now apply the accounting number format with 0 digit after detachment to cell B4 to E6. So in this tab we first select the value that I have entered and apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places after the digit. So select the values and in the home tab in the number group apply accounting number format and decrease decimal to 0 decimal places, and also auto fit column A to E. So in this tab we also auto fit column A to E. So select cell A, column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, and here we select auto fit. So our step number 6 is completed. So step number 7 is calculate the total sales for each of the truck location. So in this step we calculate the total sale for each location, truck location. So first is enter the word total in cell A7. So copy the total, copy this one and paste here is 7, this one, and paste here, and here click only paste text, and enter a sum function in cell B7 to calculate the total of cell B4 to B6. So in this step we insert a sum function in cell B7 to calculate the sum of B4 to B6. So we on our Excel worksheet and in cell B7 we put sum function and first value is B4 to B6. Press enter. So I have calculated the total of Crystal City, and now also use the auto fit to copy the formula to cell C7 to E7. So in this tab we copy the formula to cell C7 to E7. So here drag it to E7. So I have calculated the all of total of cities: Crystal City, Marified, Rotten and Western. So our step number 7 is completed. Now last step is apply the total cell style to cell A7 to E7. So in this step we first select cell A7 to E7 and apply total cell style. So we go on our Excel worksheet. Here we select A7 to E7 in the home tab, in the number group, in the style group we apply total cell style. Our step number 7 is completed. So basically this assignment consists of 17 steps. I have done 7 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete code for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email. My WhatsApp number and my email is also given in the screen, and also you can see in the video description. So our step number 8 is insert a pie chart 2D to show the old base sale for the monthly by location. Each piece of the pie should represent old base sales for a single location. So in this step, we insert a pie chart to show the old base sale on the Excel worksheet. So we go on our Excel worksheet. First select old base sales for each city. Copy the cities and in the insert tab here we put 2D pie chart. This one is pie chart for a single location. So our step number 8 is completed. So our step number 9 is modify the pie chart as follows. So in this step we modify the pie chart. So first of all we apply the layout style for quick layout. So in this step we apply layout style 4. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in we not change chart style, we change layout. Layout is this one and we choose layout 4. So step number 9 is half is completed. Move the chart so it appear below the sales data. So in this step we move the chart so it appear below the sales data. So first of all cut this chart and paste cell A9 below the chart. So you can see that pie chart is below the table. So I have done 9 steps of this assignment and this assignment consists of 17 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email. My WhatsApp number and my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.